Hey everyone, it's Starr. In this video I'm sharing with you this nice big old bag of Brussels sprouts, which are one of my favorite vegetables to have. I just took out a handful, or maybe a little bit over a handful. I rinsed them and now I'm slicing them into pieces. And I don't eat the ends of the Brussels sprouts because it's like the hard pieces of like cabbage, so I don't eat that part. You can cut it down as small as you like. I just kind of cut it in half and the little leaves fell off, but that's always good. They're all good. So yeah, anyway, you want to get a pot, and I have this pot with some minced garlic, and I start off every veggie kind of like stir fry thing with garlic because garlic is good and it brings out all the natural flavors in like most of all veggies, so it's a good base to start with. Then you want to steam up the Brussels sprouts a bit before adding in the kale. The kale is going to take a little bit longer because it's kind of like a tough texture to chew down. So once you add in the kale, you let everything simmer for a good 15-20 minutes till you feel like the kale is at a chewable consistency to your liking. I always do like a little taste test before turning off the pot completely. Now after it's been steaming for some time, I just add in some black pepper, and I only use crushed black pepper because I like the peppercorn brand. Also, you add in some garlic powder. I know I already put garlic at the bottom, but it's never enough. You just gotta add your garlic powder. Some nutritional yeast. And then you're gonna just stir up everything once again, and that's pretty much it. I didn't add any other seasonings, and I like how it steamed out. I just threw some sunflower seeds in the mix, and I like to use this brand. It's just raw, no salt, it's just natural. Let that steam and get hot, and then next thing you know, you can serve it as a side, or you could do like me and just eat it by itself, because that's what I did. I added some cranberries and it was very yummy. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.